everybody, WorldWideRailfan here. Today marks the beginning of a brand new series on my channel called Rebuilt. This is a series where I talk about Norfolk Southern locomotives that are being rebuilt. I may end up talking about other railroads' rebuilt engines, but for now it's just Norfolk Southern. Unlike many Class 1 railroads, NS rebuilds old engines opposed to retiring them and buying new ones. Make sure to click the I button to help decide what the next episode will be about. The choices are SD70ACU, AC44C6M, and AC44C6CF, SD70ACC, SD40E, or C40-8.5W. This first episode is about the SD60E. In the late 2000s, standard cab EMDs were fairly common on NS. SD60s and SD70s were not a rare sight. NS liked the SD60s enough that they bought some ex-Union Pacific HLCX SD60s. The SD60s were reliable but becoming outdated. NS gave some to Progress Rail and they were rebuilt into PR43Cs. These engines were not very good for NS and they were retired in late 2017. It was back to the drawing board for SD60 rebuilds. The SD60s needed to be modernized because they didn't have enough safety features or modernized features such as PTC. In 2010, Norfolk Southern began the rebuild of SD60 number 6653. The cab was taken off and replaced with the NS-designed Crescent cab, which can also be seen on the C40-8.5W. These cabs are safer and designed to have better crash energy management. They were given an EMD EM2000 microprocessor control system and CCB25 electric air brakes. Each unit was given an electric parking brake, PTC, and all units were renumbered. They went from looking like this to this. At that point, they were in half-faded NS black, and the cabs were in primer. 137 of them have been rebuilt so far, number 911, and then 6900 through 7002, and 7004 through 7035. They were renamed from SD60 to SD60E. The SD stands for Special Duty, the 60 is the model number, and the E is the new EM2000 microprocessor system. NS has used this suffix on rebuilt engines in the past, like the SD40E. The SD60Es have 4,000 horsepower, they're equipped with dynamic braking, and have an EMD 710G3B-IC prime mover. They're all equipped with Conrail cab signals and PTC. All of them have been painted into the NS Horsehead scheme at Juniata and Roanoke, except for a select 3. Unit number 6920 was given an Honoring Our Veterans scheme, 6963 was given a Go Rail scheme, and 7003 was renumbered to 911 and repainted into an Honoring First Responder scheme. They have Graham White E-bells and varying horns like K5LAs, P5s, and RS5Ts. Nowadays, an SD60E isn't a very uncommon sight on a train. Right now, 48 standard cab SD60s remain in service, and their days left as SD60E standard cabs are certainly numbered. NS plans to complete their SD60E program in 2019. Whatever may happen to them, it's obvious that EMDs like the SD60E are here to stay on Norfolk Southern. Thanks for watching. I'm trying out this series to see if you guys like it. I hope it does as well as the Retired Amtrak Power series. Like I said earlier, click the I button to vote on the next engine. As always, thanks for watching. Bye guys.